Hi guys, this is Payal Pangare from Technical Tutorials. Today I am here to show you how you can set up fingerprint sensor in Windows operating system. So let's start. First you have to open the start option, then search for settings, then click on open. In setting options, you have to click on accounts, then click on sign in option. Now here you can see fingerprint recognition. Click on here, then click on setup, then click on get started. Here you have to enter your computer login pin. Now place your fingerprint on finger on fingerprint sensor. Now click on OK. So you can see your fingerprint is added here.